Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got a new brokerage listing to show you today. I'm on board a beautiful 2022 Twin V. This is a 280 GFX model. This boat is powered by twin Suzuki 300s. Total of 600 horsepower with just over 300 hours on them. You can see this catamaran has a 9.5 foot beam. This is a very stable platform, but it also gives you the ability to have a very large boarding ladder in between the engines. And you see a very nice swim platform here on the stern. You got rocket launchers both sides. There's a divider plate that goes in here, you see in the photos, in case you want to keep dogs or small children safer, or just keep it there while you're running. Moving forward in the cockpit here, you see we've got two removable cockpit seats in each corner, nice and wide as well. You've got cup holders, rod holders, stainless pull-up cleats. This boat was freshly detailed when it hit the market. We've got a live well here at the back of the leaning post and tackle storage underneath here, you see in the photos. More powder coated rocket launchers. You've got your outriggers set up. Boat handles really well offshore. Here in North Carolina, we get some unfavorable conditions most of the time, so it's nice to have a catamaran to eat up that chop. See these nice captain's chairs, twin bolsters, really nice stitching and coloring, with an ergonomic cutout for when you want it as a leaning post, but also nice and deep seating with armrests for when you're making those longer runs. You see this one has Garmin electronics. It's got twin 16-inch touchscreens with the NEMA backbone, so it's got all of your engine information on the screens, which is very nice. You also have the Suzuki screens down here, as you can see, 319 hours on the engines. We've got radar built into this. It's got a Garmin Dome radar up top. All of your manual switches down below. Suzuki controls, start and stop for both. You've got your windlass control, Bluetooth Fusion stereo with JL audio. You've also got a sub here at the helm. Color matched C-deck pad right there. Really good looking boat. Moving forward up to the bow. Got bolsters along the sides. Really nice, comfortable coffin chase. You can see the Garmin Dome radar up there with the outriggers, another light bar. Forward seating up here, as well as your windlass and anchor. And the trailer does come with it. You can see the ladder leading up to it. So if you are running the show by yourself, you back the boat into the water at the ramp and climb up the ladder and you're good to go. I'll show you this, it's in the photos, but it is just a massive storage compartment here. Really nice. It's insulated. Use that as your fish box, but you've also got two in-deck fish boxes, so this would likely be your food and drink cooler. So these big fish boxes in the deck are insulated and macerated with switches on the dash. We got one both port and starboard. Non-skid along the gunnels. More tackle storage inside the console here. Spreader lights, courtesy lights. Twin V etched into the door. Really nice. Big storage compartment as well. Has access to the back of the dash, your batteries, battery switch, your charger, hydraulic lines, back of the Garmin's, as well as a porta potty. Also got a little window there and a light up top as well. So you've got your VHF, you heard it earlier in the video. Boat was just detailed. It's been lift kept, so no bottom paint. Excellent condition, ready for its next owner. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to call me on my cell. The number is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2022 Twin V 280 GFX. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.